Presenting the BIGRIG family of immersion blenders from Hamilton Beach Commercial. Powerful and portable, the BIGRIG is built on our 100-plus years of blending and mixing expertise. Created with operators worldwide in all sizes of food service kitchens in mind, the BIGRIG is designed for optimal performance, maneuverability, and control for the back of the house. We only put the Hamilton Beach Commercial badge on equipment we believe in. The BIGRIG was developed over the course of 3 years to meet the requirements of our most exacting customers, then field tested by a variety of chefs for an array of applications. What does that mean for you? A versatile portable blender with a heavy-duty 1-horsepower motor, a 12-foot cord, and a stainless steel blade designed to power through large batches quickly. Use the BIGRIG to blend, chop, mix, emulsify, and puree. A comfortable 2-position handle on the unit and additional grip on the shaft that provide excellent maneuverability and control, as well as the ability to vary hand position and diminish fatigue in hands and wrists. Patent-pending trigger switch and a variable speed control with easy-to-follow LED lights to guide the users through the phases of operation. A range of stainless steel shaft sizes that are detachable, which makes changing out the size or removing it for cleaning a breeze. And the option to set the unit to continuous run for larger volumes. Built to last, the BIGRIG is made from durable materials and designed to protect the motor from moisture. The on-off switch and the easy touch continuous run button are designed to respond to light finger pressure from the operator. As for materials, each shaft is stainless steel, as is the available 10-inch whisk accessory. Whether you are powering your way through blending, chopping, mixing, emulsifying, and pureeing with the blade, or whipping and mixing with the whisk, the BIGRIG gets it done. And best of all, each motor unit has a function that allows the motor to stay at a constant speed, shortening blend times and improving performance. Think of it as cruise control for your BIGRIG. The BIGRIG is also designed for easy service. Its robust cord is built to resist wear and tear, and the patent-pending cord cover design on the BIGRIG means that it can be taken apart and replaced. All of these elements together result in a tough piece of equipment. In fact, we are so confident in the longevity of the BIGRIG that we've given it a 2-year warranty.